back to another video. You are watching Funzon.ui with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about gadget, which is not a smartphone but a smart gadget, that is smart watch. Yes, and that too a smart watch from Oppo. Yes, this video is all dedicated to Oppo smart watch review out here. Yes, you are going to see how is the smart watches in this time, as well as we are going to see that how Oppo smartwatch and other watches differ out there. As well as when we talk about this smartwatch, we can say that we are quite dependent upon smartwatches now. Talking about this smartwatch, we can say it is a good compact competitor for other smartwatches, especially for the Apple. Not very good competitor, but yes, a alternative could be said out. Now, when we talk about the smartwatch, then we can say this is a very premium looking watch out here, offering you great looks out there, as well as it offers you a great, we can say, design. Yes, when we talk about the design, then it has got really amazing design. So let us look about the designs also. Display is quite flattened out here. Yes, display is quite flattened, and you will find that the display is really working very well out there. As well as we talk about this variant, we can say that the straps in it, yes, the straps in it is quite different. Yes, display is definitely amazing out here, no doubt. The flat display, a very good dial out here, and fits very well in hands. And when we talk about the strips in it, it is also quite different. It is also very well detachable. We can say it is detachable, strapped out here. As well as when we talk about the placement of this, then you will not find it like the normal straps out here. The normal straps have got a different version, and this is very different out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that it can be easily considered as an alternative for the smartwatches which are highly expensive out here. It can be considered that, as well as offering you great functionalities. You can say that it is a very good alternative for Amazfit. Yes, Amazfit का अगर alternative हम जानना चाहें, Amazfit Shadows 3, which was released last year out there, and we have seen this year in the market. Or we can say that that gadget's alternative could be considered as Oppo smartwatch out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you great quality of prawns. Yes, when we talk about advantages, there are very good advantages of this variant. Now, talking about the advantages, we can say that we have already told you that design is premium out here. The design is super premium about, like, whether you talk about the display, you talk about the straps, you talk about the material used out here. Everything is very premium out here. A very great, you can say, dimensions are very good out here, and it is very comfortable to wear. You will not feel that itchiness out here, or you will feel that very heavy strapped out here. This is not seen out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, then you can have two different variations also. Apart from that, it has got a very amazing water resistance, because we know that smart watches really need to be water resistant. And when we talk about normal analog watches out here, they also provide you water resistance, but digital watches or the smart watches need to have a very good water resistance, and it provides you a very amazing and excellent water resistance too. Now, talking about the smart watch, or when we say about the smart watches, we cannot neglect out the fact that we use it not just for watching time or just to analyze the time out there, but we use, or we connect it with our phones. When we connect it with our phones, we need to use it for calling purpose out here, or checking messages, using any other purpose. So you get to have a good and a decent speakers and microphones out here. So whenever you call, or whenever you have a word with someone else, or whenever you connect your phone and smartwatch, it works very well. Compatibility is great out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say the battery life is quite good. As compared to other series, we can say that Oppo smartwatches battery life is definitely good out here. As well as you will find that this watch offers you a great premium design, as well as there is an excellent notification handling. This is one of the main key feature out here, because we have seen that smartwatches, if once a notification is there, then it is prompting out every now and then. But it is not seen in Oppo smartwatch. Once a notification is mentioned out, it will slightly loud out to a corner, and whenever you click on that, you will get to see your notification out here. So that's why we say that it is really good out here. As well as you will find that it is a very operating system is very good out here. The wearable operating system inbuilt in it is very good out there. As well as there are few disadvantages also. There are not only the advantages out here, there are disadvantages too. And when we talk about the disadvantages of this variant, we can say that the accessories packed along with it, like whether you talk about the charger, you talk about anything else, they have got a minimum accessory packed out here. So it can be good also, bad also, but we expect a lot of things from this. As well as you will find that the strap which we are talking about is really good, but you will find that it is detachable. So it is possible that you may lose your watch because it's detachable, and in a hurry, or we can say in some hurry, or you can say in fights or anything out there, it might get lost or it might get detached. This is a advantage for it, that it is a detachable one, whereas other smartwatches with the same design have a non-detachable system out there. Talking about this variant, we can also say that this variant offers you a different kind of setup. Like it offers you a different kind of a setups in, like uh, when you have to use a app in it. It has got a different setup based for apps. Yes, when you say about the apps, then it is slightly complex out here. Yes, that is slightly complex out here. As well as it has got a feature inbuilt in it, that is battery saving mode, which is a good point, but it automatically saves your batteries without letting you know. Yes, so you will never come to know that your battery is being saved, and you might not be able to properly use the apps. Like it might reduce the app usage within itself. So this is a slight drawback, that it automatically reduces or saves on the battery mode, and few of the apps might not be able to use. So this is the one thing out there. As well as it also has an automatic sleep track work out there. Yes, it has got a sleep tracker app in it, which is actually working from 8 p.m. to 10 a.m. So this is the working, because sometimes this is a normal timing for uh, standardized time, we can say, for sleep hours. But yes, we do not follow this hour, so there is a slight disadvantage, or audience did not like this one. We can say that audience really didn't like this one. Now talking about this variant, we can talk about the specifications. Let us talk about this gadget specifications and everything. Talking about the specifications and this gadget, we can say when we unbox it, you get to have a great thing out there. That is, you get to have a handset, or that is the gadget itself, that is your premium quality smartwatch. Yes, you will get a premium quality smartwatch out here, which is along with the soft rubby finished, or you can say umbrella strap out here, which is detachable. Yes, you can attach both of them. This is a detachable thing out there. Apart from that, you get to have a usual manual out there. You will get a normal manual, which helps you to know what kind of functions it works and how it works. Everything instructions are given in that. As well as you will get to see that it offers you a charger out there. Yes, you will get to have a charger with USB-A cable out here, offering you a 5 volt and 1.5 ampere charging. Apart from that, you will also find that this charger is not a normal charger. It is a magnetic candle design charger. This is a different, it's not very different out here. It's a normal charger only, but a magnetic charger out here. So there's a difference between a magnetic wireless QI charger, regular QI wireless charger, and a magnetic candle design charger out here. This is slightly thick out there. This is slightly thick as compared to other two. As well as you will also find that this variant offers you a great range of specifications. Talking about the specifications, so let us talk about the body type first. Let us talk about the displays, size, and resolution, everything. So you will find out that it has got different variants. Yes, you will find that it is either having a screen size of 41 or 46 So there are two different variants, two different sizes. As we already know that most of the smartwatches comes in two different sizes, depending for which gender it is being made. So you will find 41 and 46 designed out here. Along with that, you will also see that the weight is also different. 41 designed smartwatch weighs approximately 40 grams, whereas 46 one will be weighing less weight, that is 30 grams. So this is slightly opposite out here. Apart from that, when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variations is due to the structurality difference or due to the functionality difference out there. Now, talking about the structurality, we can see that it has got a glass front. You will find a glass front out here for the protection. As well as you will find that it has got a stainless steel frame. Yes, it has got stainless steel frame out here, which helps you to check that it does not hamper the gadget itself. It does not damage it itself. So these are the things which you see. And apart from that, it can either have aluminium frame. Yes, so this is the main reason why the weight difference is there. If it is either aluminium frame or the stainless steel frame, the difference in the weight will be seen. You will be able to see that there is a difference in the weight out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a different kind of a back. When we talk about the back side, when we talk about the display's other end, the front end is glass front and the side frame is either stainless steel frame or the aluminum frame stain. But the back side can either be plastic back. Yes, it can be either plastic back, it can be a sapphire crystal back out there, or ceramic, you can see. So there are different options. So because there are variety of you can say watches, there have been a variety of watches out there by Oppo smartphone, smartwatch out there. So this is the reason why you get to have different kind of a weight, different kind of we can say uh, display and weightage out here, because the structurality is differing out. If you have one structure, then the will be differing out in the weight. As well as when we talk about this strap out there, which is detachable, it is of a fluororubber, you can say strap out here, fluororubber band out here, which is not a leather strap out here. It is a we can say elastic kind, or you can say a rubbery kind of a you can say that strap. So it does not hampers your skin much, but definitely causes irritation when we are wore for a very long time. Like you are under the sun and for a very long time, then it might slightly itch your skin, but not very much. Talking about this variant, we can say because of the dials or because of the resistance, there is also a difference. 46 model, that is the dial which is of 46 has 580 water resistance. Yes, you will get to have 580 water resistance in 46 dial, and whereas you will find that in 41 you will find 380 water resistance. So these are the things which you will find in this. So due to the resistance also, there is a difference in the functionality now. So you will find there is a difference in either way. There is difference in the structure, there is difference in the functionality now because of the water resistance. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that it offers you a very different kind of a display, that is the almond display is very common out here, but in you will find that in 46 that is the bigger dial one, has got a almond which is flexible. Yes, the display is almond flexible out here, whereas you will find that 41 will have a normal almond display. So the display is also differing out here. So we can say the almond flexible and almond are actually differing out here, and they commonly we can say that the entire variant, all the series will have the almond display. Commonly we can say that they are having an almond display, but when we talk specifically, then 46 will have almond flexible, which is a different kind of a display as compared to 41 which is having a normal almond type display. As well as you will find that the resolution capacity has differed out, as well as the protection is differing out. Yes, resolution does not differ much, but yes, slightly differs out in the ratios. As well as you will find that the protection out here in 41 is by Gorilla Glass protection. You find Gorilla Glass protection in 41 but in 46 you will find Scotch Glass protection. So we already said that it will have a glass protection, but two different variant of glasses could be seen. In 46 you will find Scotch Glass, whereas in 41 Gorilla Glass protection. So this is also main reason why the two variants are actually differing in design and structurality, as well as the functionality is also differing out there. Talking about the internal platforms of this variant, because this is a smartphone, so definitely it will be working with Android or the operating systems out there. Chip system, processor, process makers will be seen out here. Now, talking about this variant, we can say that it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon wearable process maker out here. Yes, Qualcomm Snapdragon you will see the processor out here. Whereas you will find that 3100 Snapdragon is seen out in the one variant, that is 46 whereas you will find that 2500 is seen out in 41 So there are two different variants. So we can see that both the variants have different Snapdragons out there. Because of that, you will also find that it is also differing in the internal functions. But what remains constant out here is the operating system. Yes, when we talk about the operating system, it has wearable Android operating system. And we can see that for China version, the Color OS Watch OS is used. Yes, for China variant, you have Color OS Watch OS. That is a watch operating system out here, which was designed in China. But overall, worldwide, you will find that Oppo smartwatch has got Android wearable operating system. These two works very well along with the collaboration of octa-core processor, and you will find that Apollo Wireless OC is also seen. So there is a lot of things out there. Apart from that, when we talk about the internal platforms, we can see the output seen in this is quite different. As well as you will find that the memory is 8 GB and you will have a RAM of 1 GB. You find these kind of functionalities in this. But what is differing out here is the battery life also. Since there is a huge difference in the structurality of 41 design and 46 design, so battery life also differs out. Internally, they are different, so battery life also differs. Like 41 dial has a battery life of 300 mAh. Yes, 41 battery life. If we talk about 41 dial battery life is just 300 mAh, whereas you will find that 46 dial has got 430 mAh battery life. So this is something very exciting, that you will find 430 mAh battery life in 46 Apart from that, you will find that it has got a VOOC flash charging, so which is a very fast charging, offering you 5 volts charging at the rate of 1.5 amperes. You can say that this offers you great charging. But when we talk about this variant, we cannot neglect about the connectivities it offers. Yes, when we talk about connectivities, it offers you Wi-Fi connectivity with a very good hand out here. Bluetooth connectivity of 4.1 could be seen out in the variant which uses Snapdragon, only Snapdragon out there. Whereas in the China version, which uses Apollo 3, yes, the operation which uses Apollo 3 OS, it offers you Bluetooth 5. Yes, so there's a difference out here. Apart from that, you get to see that GPRS is also there. You get to see LIT support system in this variant. But there is a difference. You only find LTE, that is the limited, you can say, connectivity, that is the normal G connectivity outside. In 46 dial version, you will not find 41 with LTE connectivity. You will find only 46 version out there. So this could be said as a drawback also, or it could be considered as a good point also for this. As well as when we talk about the Sweden, we can say that it has got a good speaker, microphones out here. If we talk about sensors, then it has got heart rate meters, blood pressure meters, NFC, light sensors. It has got geometers out there, barometer, compass, everything which we look for. Now, when we talk about this variant, we cannot neglect out the fact that it is also designed for our health. And when we talk about our health, then we can say that this variant offers a good functionalities, good features for the health purpose. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you n number of specifications, n number of features, n number of controls out here. Yes, controls can be seen out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that it offers you functionalities like connecting with phone, airplane mode, heart rate monitoring, just like we have seen in other variants. It helps you to keep a check of your heart rate. As it is in the wrist, it keeps a check of your pulse. It reminds you of your steps, breath count, water intake, or you can say about your entire body day routine out there. Yes, you will find these kind of things. In short, we can say that it helps you to take a check of your daily workout. Yes, when we say daily workout, then it means that it helps you to check that whether your sleep hours were perfect or not. Yes, it helps you to check whether your sleep hours were perfect or not. How much calories you have gained, like how whatever you have intake, is it sufficient or you need to consume more? And if you have consumed more, then you need to excrete out. So it helps you to know how much workout you need to do, what kind of workout you should do, like if you are suffering from any kind of a disease, or if your weight is slightly heavy, or you need to maintain your body, so what kind of workout you should do, you can fix in it and it will help you to know that. It keeps a track of your activities. Yes, it keeps a track of your activities. Like we won't say that it keeps every track, like your writing, it does not keep like that track, but it keeps a track of your monitoring heartbeats, blood pressure, your walk steps, water intake, these kind of you can say track of these kind of records which are related to your body and your health. As well as it helps you to check out the sleep time, and tells you whether you are a light sleeper or a very high sleeper or a deep light, like depends. So how much hours you are sleeping, according to that it tells you what kind of sleeper you are. As well as this way, this gadget helps you to keep a track, or you can say helps you to keep a note of your records. It has a function that since we use smart gadgets, we keep a track of our everyday to-do list, as well as to see what kind of gadgets we are using. A notepad in our phone. So it helps you to keep a notepad out there, but it also has different apps in your phone which need to be operated separately. You need to operate that separately out here. How? But you need to see that you are using Google Notes, you are using Google Play, or you are using any other uh, like notepad or music player, video player, what kind of app you are using. For that, you have to search in it that whether you want to use app in your phone, or you want to use it in your wearable operating system, smartwatch, or you want only the recommended apps in it, like whichever are best functional and only they should be recommended out here. So this helps you to know that. Apart from that, when we talk about the style, there are a lot of you can see the operating styles out here. Yes, you get to have a different fonts out there. There is a setting out there available for which you can check out the settings, and you can change all the settings out there of your display, not the designs out there, but the font size or the looks out there, you can change those things. As well as you need, if you need to operate this variant, then you need to have an Oppo Watch connector with your phone, that so that these two are connected out. So this is very much things out there. As well as these are the only few things which you need to keep in check. As well as when you use Oppo smartwatch, then you need to keep a track of your every record, because it helps you to keep a check of your health. It helps you to keep a check of your body type, as well as calling purpose. It can be used. It uses a lot of functionalities which Oppo's we can say smartwatches need to do, because smartwatches are doing a lot of things nowadays, and so Oppo smartwatch also does the same thing. Apart from that, if you look about the AI outfits watches out there, then the detachable straps is also one of part of it. But you can change the designs out there. Yes, if you would like not like the normal design, like the normal display, it is showing a normal kind of a display like this. It is showing. You don't like it, then you can change the within design itself. Yes, you can change that too. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel. And if you would like to know about any other gadget, do let us know in the comment section. Till then, take care.